Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on coordinate geometry. Now see here. First problem is show that the points A4 to B 7.5, 7, 5, C 9, 7 are the 3 points lie on a same line. That means you gave 3 points A, B, C points. We should show those 3 points are lie on a same line. That means these 3 points A, B, C lie on the same line. For this condition, what is the conditions means? Suppose you see, if C is on the line, suppose C is middle, AC are on the other side. We don't know which one is the center. Okay, the points positions we don't know. So suppose C is there. Suppose C is there. Then if it is on the line, then we know AC, this AC plus this is B. AC plus CB must be equal to AB, because this if the C is on the line, then AC is AC plus CB, these two lengths equal to total length AB. Suppose if C is not on the line, some down or up there, anywhere some down or up there means if it is anywhere also, C, AC plus CB is equal to AB only. Whatever the place it may be, AC plus CB, AB only. The position is not important. So that's why it divides into 2 pieces. That 2 pieces adding means total piece will come. That anyone knows. But if it anywhere, if it is some down or up there, then what will happen? It will form a triangle. Small distance there also, it will form a small triangle. It will, here there also we can draw a triangle like this. See, so that's why it becomes triangle. When it becomes triangle, AC plus CB not equal to AB. Why? Because in any triangle, the sum of the two sides, any two sides should be greater than the third side. What is the triangle property? The sum of any two sides must be greater than third side, then only that is triangle. Here like this, ABC is there, AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB, or AB plus AC greater than BC. So sum of any two sides, that sum is greater than the third side, then only that is triangle. So if it is up or down, it will be triangle. That means if AC plus CB equal to AB means, then we know that is on the line. That's why the condition is what? The middle point what is there, the 2 pieces must be equal to third one. There is chances A are middle or B are middle or C may be middle. So that's why any one of the condition should satisfy. If first A may be center, then BC, then what will happen? In this case, AB, here AB or BC, AB or BA same, okay, AB plus AC equal to BC. Suppose here B is middle, then here A, here C, then second condition what? AB plus BC is equal to AC. Suppose C is there middle, then B is here, then AC plus CB is equal to AB. So like this, anything will happen according to A middle or B middle or C middle, that we don't know. That's why in this any one of the condition, that means the sum of the any two sides is equal to third side. Here the sum of the any two sides is equal to third side means the 3 points are lying in the same line. If sum of the any two sides greater than the third side means that is triangle. Vertices of triangle. According to this condition, we can check whether the vertices are form a triangle or lie on a same line. Based on these only these 2 problems. Now the first problem given what? A 4, 2, B 7, 5, C 9, 7 given. They lie on the same line or not is asking. That means condition should satisfy. Sum of the any two sides equal to third side. K means then we can say the 3 points are lie on the same line. Once we will see. Now take points. First length. length AB points take 4 2, A point is 4 2, B point is 7 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now distance between 2 points or length of the straight line formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that we know. So substitute these values in this. Now x2 is 7 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2 whole square root of. Now 7 minus 4 is 3 whole square plus 7 minus 5, 7 minus 2 also 3 whole square root 2. This is 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9 root 2, that is 18 root. This we can write like this, 2 into 9. So for 9 root is 3 root. Next length AB BC points, right? B point is 7 comma 5, C point is 9 7. So let it x1 y1 x2 y2. Write the formula. Length formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is what we know. X2 9 minus x1 7 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 5 whole square root. So this is 2, this is also 2 square, that is 2 square is 4 root, that is 8 root. We can write this 4 into 2 means 2 root 2, because for 4 root is 2. Next ABBC CA or AC points, right? 4 2, A point is 4 2, C point is 9 7. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Now distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is x2 is 9 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 2 whole square root 2. So 9 minus 4 is 5 square root plus 7 minus 5 is 5 square root. So under root 2, this is 5 square is 25 plus 25 root, that is 50 root. This we can write 2 into 25, that is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2. Now you observe, check that condition. Those two you see, AB BC, AB plus BC you see. AB is 2, AB is 3 root 2, BC is 2 root 2, root 2 you common, 3 plus 2 no, 3 plus 2 root 2 common means root 2 into 5, that is 5 root 2, that is nothing but this AC is equal to AC. Therefore condition satisfied. What condition? AB plus BC is equal to AC. Therefore the 3 points lies on the same line. The 3 points lies on the same line. So this is also in the same way, but here the condition is sum of the any two sides greater than the third sides. That condition we should check. Here any one satisfied means enough. Any two sides equal third side means definitely the 3 points lie on the same line. But here 3 conditions you should check, because sum of the any two sides greater than the third side. That we should check. Okay. Now let A names we should give. Okay. 3 comma 2, B minus 2 minus 3, C 2 3 are the vertices of a triangle. Okay. Now find out the length. Now length AB. Find out A is 3 comma 2, B is minus 2 minus 3. this is x1, y1, x2, y2 take. Now formula is same, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is equal to x2 is what? Minus 2 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 is what? Minus 3 minus y1 is 2 whole square root of, that is minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square root 2. For minus square also plus I told, that's why 25 plus 25. This is 50 root. We can write it to 25 into 2, that is 5 root 2. We can write 5 root 2. That is values you write here for checking. 5 into root 2 is 1.4 you write. That is nearly 7. This is approximate value. See, 7 14s are 7. 0 means cancel. Okay. Now, A, B finished. BC. Length. Points right. B. B point is minus 2 minus 3. C point is 2 3. You calculate length what? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root only. Now x2 is 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus of minus 3 whole square under root. That is 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 this plus 3 whole square root 2. That is 4 whole square plus 3 plus 6 whole square. That is this is 16 plus 36, that is 52. Now 52 root 2 you calculate. For 52 root 2 should calculate root like this. 7 7s are 49, 3 is there, 2 zeros, 14. 14 of 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 to 1, 1 0 2. No greater, so 0.2 only will come. 7.2 approximate values these are. We are not taking full values. 7.2. This is 7.2. Now third side you calculate. AB, BC, CA. Come on. Now points take CA. C is 2.3. A is 3.2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is x2 is 3 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 2 whole square root of, that is this is 1 whole square, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is y1 is y2 is 2 minus y1 is 3, here 3, that is minus 1 whole square. Now this one is 1 plus 1 because square of minus is 1, therefore root 2, this is 1.4 only. Okay, now check the condition. 3 conditions so we should check. First condition is AB plus BC greater than AC. This condition true or not we should check. Plus AB value is how much? AB 7 plus BC value is 7.2. This is AB is 7, BC is 7.2, this value is 14.2, this is greater than AC 1.4. Okay, true. See, 14.2 greater than 1.4 only, true. Next condition is what? BC plus AC greater than AB. BC plus AC greater than AB. You check this. BC is what? 7.2 plus AC is what? 1.4. You do this one 8.6. Now this is greater than AB. AB is what? 7. So 8.6 greater than 7 only. True. This condition also true. Next third one, AB, BC, CA. AC plus BC finished. AC plus AB greater than BC. AC plus AB greater than BC. The third one. Now AC is 1.4 plus AB. AB is 7. This is what? 8.4. This is greater than BC. BC is what? 7.2. 8.4 is greater than 7.2 only. True. So, the sum of any two sides greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides greater than the third side. Therefore, this is the property of triangle. Therefore, the points 3, 2, comma, minus 2, minus 3, comma, 2, 3 form a triangle. So, like this we can do. That means for this only two conditions. That means if sum of the any two sides equal to third side means the 3 points lie on a same line. If the sum of the three sides greater than the third side means it is a triangle. That means the points are vertices of a triangle. Like that we can show. Okay. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.